Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville bes900xl espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just replaced the O-rings from the boiler. Let me just show you which gaskets we replaced. Pretty much replaced all the gaskets that you see right here. All these, wait a second, focus, perfect. All these gaskets on the boiler itself, on the gaskets on the brew ball as well. And we also had to replace the brew ball, the steam ball. This one that you see right here, this is the older one. And this is the newer one. So we replaced that, and as you can see, it's not leaking steam. Previously it was leaking a lot of steam here, and it was also leaking as well to the machine. Right now the machine, the boiler is at 200 degrees, so that means there's pressure inside. As you can see, back again, the leak coming out from the steam one, and leaking. And there you have it, that will be the leaks completely fixed. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Oh wait, give me a second. Show you the group head, the water. That's pre-infusion. It takes around 6 seconds for the pump to start working. As you can see, working perfectly fine as well. Nice steady stream. And the hot water working as well. And again, the leaves coming from the machine. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.